The New Balance 475 is stepping back into the spotlight for holiday 2025, proving that the brand's archive still packs serious impact even in a year filled with futuristic innovations like the NB 2000 and the modernized New Balance 200. After making waves through collaborations with Aime Leon Dore, AURALEE, and the 475 now returns in a striking washed burgundy colorway. This refreshed pair mixes classic 80s construction with an eye-catching palette, goldenrod yellow accents beneath the iconic N, a navy suede mudguard, and a soft baby blue heel. While official release details haven't fully surfaced, the model is already appearing on back-end systems and select retailers, signaling an upcoming drop at around $110. Sneaker fans should be ready, as the New Balance 475 is shaping up to be one of the brand's most talked about retro revivals heading into the 2025 holiday season.